With SAP and Power Platform, you can unleash the power of your business data. Your SAP data and the full potential of Microsoft Power Platform combined will drive innovation and create new business value. The seamless and secure integration of SAP-centric use cases into your well-known modern workplace environment like Microsoft Teams or Outlook will open a whole new universe of possibilities for you, your employees, and your customers.
Thanks to the Power Platform connected to our SAP systems, I now, for example, can easily create new purchase order requisitions with the help of a virtual agent directly in Teams.
So as a business user, instead of navigating through complex SAP masks, I can stay here in Teams and simply ask the SAP bot to support me in creating a purchase order requisition. The bot supports me by providing a nice and lean interface, asking just for the data that is really needed. After filling out the mask and then clicking on the Submit button, the requisition is automatically created in SAP, as we can see here. And that without the need that I have to log on to SAP or to enter the data directly in there. We can see here that the created purchase order requisition is in SAP with all the information I added in the Teams adaptive card. We can also see that the purchase requisition is not yet approved. Therefore, the bot also triggers an automation flow for the purchasing process and asks the corresponding approval chain for their approvals and provides additional information in a post in a dedicated Teams channel, covering all aspects from purchase order creation and approval all the way to receiving goods and entering them into our stock database. In a second use case, let's have a look in a daily routine task of a customer or sales agent. This mail here is from a customer reaching out to the customer agent asking about the status of his latest order and the estimated delivery date. Usually, I would now have to open SAP to look up the status of this order manually first, to then start writing a response to the email. Instead, I can save many clicks and time by using our custom-built GenAI plugin directly here in Outlook and use it to generate a suggested answer. The plugin analyzes the email content, fetches all the information on the order number from SAP, the client-specific SLAs from Salesforce, and puts it together in a contextually relevant email response. I can now build upon this draft email to add some personal notes and send it out within less than 1 minute. It's important to mention that this whole process is orchestrated by the Power Platform and has nothing to do with Microsoft Copilot. It is also needed to track any client interaction within Salesforce and maybe also on the SAP order. We added a further functionality in here. With one click, a follow-up item is added in the client profile in Salesforce, as you can see here. And a summary of the inquiry is also added as a comment in SAP.
These are only 2 examples of the endless possibilities to drive innovation around your SAP-based processes by leveraging Microsoft Power Platform to combine best of both worlds.
We at Avanade are your partner for everything around Microsoft Power Platform and SAP. As Microsoft Partner of the Year for Low-Code, No-Code, as well as Global System Integration Partner of the Year, We bring the experience and know-how, starting from the foundation in terms of governance strategy and implementation, to enabling your employees to build their own simple apps and automation flows as citizen developers, to a full-blown productivity studio approach and industry solutions where we help you to build professional collaborative apps, automations, and innovative use cases on Power Platform for your most critical business processes. Find out more and visit us on our website.